Oh, come on. Oh no, I ripped the box. That's fucking great. Now that we got that off. Take. Hey.
Do you have 2 controllers or 1?
I have one. Well, I have two. I don't think the other one works that well. Or twisty ties. I'll put you in the box.
Are you sure this is the right one?
Yeah, it's AV2.
How much money do you have? Because I have like, I beat the game, so I had like $40 million.
Yeah.
So I bought every vehicle you can.
Mm-hmm.
It's fun. I have like 3 helicopters, all the planes, all the cars.
Oh, that's just fucking great.
You're black. Your online character is black.
Yeah. Look, they put the fucking guide upside down.
A $3,000 bounty has been set on you.
Look, they put this fucking thing upside down. Wait, unless... Oh, I'm the schmuck here.
Why? Wait. Why is the bounty? Why do you have a $3,000 bounty?
Because I'm not a good person. I steal people's cars.
So this isn't your car.
Nope. Actually, I don't know.